Evercoat Body Shop has the materials, tools, and know-how to make your project a success. And our 3 easy steps of prep, fill, and sand makes getting the results you want faster and easier. Remember, use gloves and a dust mask for safety. Evercoat Body Shop Pro-Grade Fiberglass resin performs best on fiberglass, metal, wood, concrete, masonry, and most rigid plastics. Everything you need for your project is in this kit: a prep wipe, applicator brush, stir stick, 1 square foot of fiberglass mat, 2 pouches of pro-grade fiberglass resin, 1 tube of hardener, a sanding block, and premium color-coated sandpaper sheets. Each pouch of resin will repair up to a 25 square inch area. However, coverage will vary based on the depth of the repair. So, depending on your project, you may need to use 1 or 2 pouches of fiberglass resin. Let's start with the prep step. Clean the repair area with soap and water. Next, clean the area with the prep wipe. Use a sheet of purple 80 grit sandpaper with the included sanding block to remove the paint several inches beyond the repair. If repairing a hole, cut or grind away all loose or damaged material. Sand several inches beyond the repair area and taper the edge of the hole. Feather edge or blend the sanded area into the finished area with the gold 180 grit sandpaper. Tape a piece of cardboard covered with wax paper to the backside of the hole if needed. This will make applying the resin and mat easier. Remove dust and clean the area with the prep wipe. The surface must be completely clean and dry before applying the fiberglass resin. Cut the fiberglass mat to overlap the repair area by at least 2 inches. If applying multiple layers of mat to strengthen the repair, make each layer slightly larger than the last. The fill step is next. Empty 1 pouch of fiberglass resin into a container. The plastic packaging of this kit can be used if needed. Open the MEKP tube by puncturing the tip with a razor blade. Using the resin hardener chart, mix drops of liquid hardener with the resin based on the air temperature. For example, if the temperature is 72 degrees Fahrenheit, mix 24 drops of hardener with 1 pouch of resin. Thoroughly mix the hardener into the resin with the stir stick. Using the included brush, apply the mixed resin to the repair surface. Apply the cut fiberglass mat over the repair and apply more resin. Work the fiberglass resin into the cloth until the white fibers disappear. Additional layers of mat or cloth can be applied before the mixture gels or cures. Any cured resin must be sanded between each layer. Sand is the final step. Once the repair has hardened for at least 6 hours, sand down the excess resin and protruding fibers. Rough sand the repair with the purple 80 grit sandpaper. Next, sand with the gold 180 grit sandpaper to remove all the 80 grit sand scratches. Finish the repair with Evercoat Body Shop Pro-Grade Body Filler or glazing putty before priming. By following these 3 easy steps, your project is now ready for paint. If you have any questions, evercoatbodyshop.com is a great place to get complete product information and access to customer service. Thanks for using Evercoat Body Shop.